Let's take a look at the new whiteboard recording and streaming features in the classrooms. Most classrooms now include a second camera for capturing the whiteboard. This feature can be used with the built-in lecture recorder, or with the Zoom PC, or both at the same time. If you use the room's built-in lecture recorder, it will record the whiteboard as a third stream, along with the main camera and what is shown on the projector. To make this available to students viewing your recordings, just go to the Lecture Capture Management website and find your site, click Site Info, check the Enable Whiteboard checkbox, and then click Save. After setting that option, you can change whether the whiteboard is shown on a recording-by-recording basis if you wish. That option is here on the settings page for each recording. Note that if the room is equipped with a whiteboard camera, the recorder will always record the whiteboard. These settings just control whether it is made available to the students. This means you can enable whiteboard capture even after a recording has been made. Okay, so let's take a look at what your students will see when playing back the recording. The whiteboard capture appears as a window here on the right side of the player. It can be toggled on and off as desired, and can be scrolled horizontally by clicking and dragging. Note that the whiteboard camera prioritizes image quality and resolution over frame rate. Whiteboard images will typically refresh once every 5 seconds or so, but students can always look at the main camera feed to better see pointing and other gestures that might otherwise be lost. That's all there is to recording the whiteboard, but what about streaming it live? If you are using the Zoom PC to live broadcast your class, you can bring up the whiteboard camera as a window that can be shared using Zoom's usual share screen feature. Let's see how that's done. First, start your Zoom meeting as usual. Then, look on the desktop for the icon CAEN Recorder Control and double-click it. This brings up some basic controls for the main camera in the room, which is used both for recording and for Zoom. Notice on the bottom there is a whiteboard button. Click that, and a new window will appear with the live whiteboard image. This window has a few controls that appear for adjusting what portion of the whiteboard is shown. There is also this custom option where you can choose a specific portion of the board. Once you have the board the way you like it, you can use Zoom's Share Screen feature to make it visible to your remote students. Just click Share Screen, find the whiteboard window in the list, and click Share. The remote students can now see the whiteboard as shared content. When you're done, you can just click Stop Share. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, please contact CAEN at umich.edu anytime. Thanks.